Everybody, come on in for the lottery. Welcome, everybody. My name is Dr. Dash. I'm your friendly neighborhood principal here at Coral Gables Adult Education and Career Centers. And guess what? We have
great news at the Gables!
So we're here on our opening day. We have open house. We have wonderful students. Please pass so you can see our great students. We had a great registration today. But we have some lottery Amazon cards to give. So we have a first prize for $50, second prize for $25, and a third prize for $15. You should have been fully registered. You would have taken the test, and you have to be here to accept that gift card. So are we ready?
Yes!
So we have the wonderful Miss Mabel Cruz.
Aplauso, aplauso.
First name, Osniel Fleites.
He's not here.
Next name?
Lucy Reyes.
Lucy? You must be here to get it.
Estela Toledo.
Estela?
Silvia Silvia Centeno.
What's her name?
Silvia Centeno.
Valía la pena la espera.
Wow!
Bravo!
That's amazing!
So listen.
What do we say?
This is $50.
$50!
We are so proud of this new student. We want you to know that we want you to be here at Coral Gables Adult and Career Centers. We're here for you. We are open Monday through Saturdays for your registration. If you miss this opportunity, there'll be other opportunities, not like this, but other opportunities. So please come down and see us. Thank you. Now for the second prize, the second gift card for $25 Amazon, and it goes to
Miami Castañeda.
Boo!
Yolanda Hernández.
She's not here.
Elisier Enrique.
We are excited with this gentleman, Mr. Elize, for being here. You are a new student returning.
He's returning!
Returning.
Citizenship!
One of our wonderful students.
Citizenship! Woo! American citizen, raise your right hand!
Wonderful student coming to us, returning to us. We're very happy to have him, and he is a winner of that $25 gift card at Amazon. Thank you.
Yay! The last one.
The last card is
Last but not
$15
least.
for Amazon. Again, you have to be here to receive it. We want to thank everybody for being out here. We want you to be appreciated for coming to Coral Gables. And the next...
Evelyn Belly.
Evelyn is our new student in our environmental class. We're very excited for her. She's starting this trimester. And welcome to our school. Welcome and congratulations for winning your $15 gift card. Yes!
Thank you.
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you again for coming. Once again, my name is Dr. Dash. These are some of our wonderful students. And once again, at Coral Gables, we have...
Great news at the Gables!
See you soon.